Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Off Campus. Before going into the video, kindly subscribe our channel Off Campus and click on the bell icon. Then only you will receive notifications whenever we upload videos. Okay, in this video we are going to see some previous year gate problems in differential equation. So we have recently discussed in differential equations and under many topics in the differential equation and solved and discussed many problems. If you haven't seen those videos still, kindly check with the playlist. Under engineering mathematics, I have saved all these videos. Okay, now we go into the video. The necessary and sufficient conditions for the differential equation of the form m of x comma y dx plus n of x comma y dy to be exact. This is of the form of exact differential equation. See, exact differential equation is what is the necessary and sufficient condition. Then only we need to proceed that this condition should be satisfied before proceeding to the this type m dx plus n dy to be exact. What is the condition? Dou m by dou y equal to dou n by dou x. See, this is the necessary and sufficient condition for the differential equation is of the form m dx plus n dy to be exact. Okay, we'll move on to the next problem. See, what is that? If c is a constant, then the solution of this differential equation is given. We need to find out the solution of differential equation dy by dx equal to 1 plus y squared. This is like a variable separable method. Dy y terms on one side and x term on the other side. Kindly check with the playlist. We have solved problems in exact differential equation and variable separable method. All the methods we have solved. Okay, now dy by separating the variables into dx, right? Now what we need to do, integrate on both sides. When we integrating on both sides, dy by plus c. When we integrating, we need to add some constant. Thus constant only given as c is a constant. Then the solution of this equation we need to find. Dy by 1 plus y squared is nothing but integrating tan inverse of y equal to x plus c. Then what is y? The solution. Tan inverse will go to that side as tan function of x plus c. So this is the solution for the given differential equation. Then move on to the next one. What is this? The solution of differential equation dy by dx plus y squared equal to 0. What is given? Dy by dx plus y squared equal to 0. This is also of the type a variable separable method. We need to separate dx on one side and y variable on the other side. Dy by dx equal to minus y square. Then minus sign here. Dy by y squared, right? Dy by y squared equal to dx. Separating the variables. Okay, then we need to integrate on the both sides. Okay, plus c constant. Let the sign be, let it be. Okay, dy by y squared, it is of the form of x power n dx equal to basic integration formula x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Similarly, y squared will be in the numerator as y power minus 2 dy into integral dx plus c. Okay, then y power minus 2 plus 1, what we will get? Y power minus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So here also see y power minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 divided by n plus 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 1 equal to integral dx equal to x plus c. Minus and minus get cancelled. Y power minus 1 equal to x plus c. So 1 by y equal to x plus c. Sorry, this is x plus y power minus 1 equal to 1 by y na. 1 by y equal to x plus c. How can we find out the solution y? Y is nothing but reciprocal of this term 1 by x plus c. So this is the differential solution of the given differential equation by using variable separable method. Then move on to the next one. What is given? One word problem given. Biotransformation of an organic compound having concentration X can be modeled using an ordinary differential equation given as dx by dt equal to kx squared equal to 0, where k is the reaction constant. If x equal to a at t equal to 0, then the solution of the equation is, the given differential equation is given, ordinary differential equation, and the condition is also given. If x equal to a at t equal to 0, x equal to a, then we need to find out the solution. Okay, so we will write the solution in back side. Dx by dt plus kx squared equal to 0. See, dx by dt plus kx squared equal to 0, and what is given the solution at x equal to a, at t equal to 0, x equal to a. This is the condition given. So now we need to solve this differential equation. See, dx, from this what is dx by dt equal to minus kx square. Then it is like variable separable method. So separating the variables, dx on one side and dt on another side. So minus dx by x squared equal to k dt. Okay, now what we need to do, integrate on both sides. Okay, when we integrating, add some constant c. So minus dx by x, it is like x power n format by integrating x power minus 2 dx. So x power minus 2, what we will get, x power minus 1 divided by minus 1. Okay, k dt equal to kt plus c. So this is the condition, let it be. So minus into minus plus, so 1 by x equal to kt plus c. Then what we need to do, we need to substitute this condition at t equal to 0, x equal to a. So t equal to 0. So multiply by 0, we will get 0 only. 0 plus c. What is x now? At t 1 by a. So what is c? c equal to 1 by a. Substitute in this equation. 1 by x equal to kt plus 1 by a. So this is the solution. Okay, this is the solution. We need to find out the constant value from the given conditions and substitute in the general solution. Okay, then we'll move on to the next one. The solution of first order differential equation x dot of t equal to minus 3x of t. Okay, x dot of t equal to minus 3x of t, given x of 0 equal to x naught is. So we'll see what is given. A x dot of t is nothing but minus 3x. Then one condition also given, x of 0 equal to x naught, which means at t equal to 0, x equal to x naught. This is the meaning. Okay, x of 0 equal to x naught, which means that at t equal to 0, x equal to x naught. So this is the condition. First we need to find out the solution and apply the conditions in that solution. Okay, x dot of t is nothing but differentiation, dx by dt equal to minus 3x of t. So now what we need to do is variable separable method, x on one side and t on another side. So dx divided by minus 3x, minus sign here, minus 3x, right? Or x only will come, not 3. Dx by x equal to 3 dt, right? Dx by this x, minus sign here, dx by x or minus sign is there itself, no need to worry. Dx by this x term equal to minus 3 into dt. Now we need to integrate on both sides. What will get? Dx by x, we know that log x equal to minus 3 dt equal to minus 3 dt plus c. Okay, log x equal to minus 3t plus c. Then what is x? X is nothing but e power minus 3t plus e power c, function of exponential. Then x equal to, we can split in exponential, can be split as multiplication. So x equal to e power minus 3t into e power c. Then what is the given condition? At t equal to 0, x equal to x naught. So apply this condition. T equal to 0, what is x? At t equal to 0, e power 0 equal to e power c. E power 0 is nothing but 1. So x naught equal to e power c. e power c equal to x naught. Okay, then this is the solution now. X equal to e power minus 3t into e power c. Substitute in this equation. What is e power c? X naught. E power minus 3t into x naught. So this is the solution for this problem. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. The solution of differential equation dy by dx plus 2xy plus e power minus x squared with y of 0 equal to 1 is. So differential format dy by dx equal to 2xy e power minus x squared, right? So it is in the form of dy by dx, Leibniz equation, linear equation, py equal to q. So what is the integral function? Before we have solved many problems under this type, kindly watch those videos. Okay, integral function is nothing but e power integral p dx. So what is p and q from this? P equal to 2x. By comparing this, p equal to 2x, right? Q equal to e power minus x square. Then we need to find out the integral function. Integral function is nothing but e power integral p dx. So integral function equal to e power integral p is nothing but 2x dx, right? So 2x dx is nothing but e power 2 into x dx is nothing but x squared by 2. So this and this get cancelled. What is the integral function? Now e power x squared. So it is a integral function. Now next, what is the solution, ma? How to find out the solution? Y into integral function equal to, this is the general solution for this type, integral q into integration of q into integral function into dx plus c. So this is the solution, general solution. Okay, so then y into integral function equal to e power x squared into integration q equal to e power minus x squared into integral function e power x squared. Now just we are substituting each and every value. So e power x squared into e power minus x squared, what we will get? E power 0. Okay, this and this get cancelled. E power 0 is nothing but 1. So this term integral dx plus c. So integral dx equal to x plus c. Y this term, sorry, y e power x squared equal to, this is the solution, y e power x squared equal to x plus c. Then we need to apply the given condition. What is given? Y of 0 equal to 1, right? Which means that at x equal to 0, y equal to 1. At x equal to 0, y equal to 1. So what is the general solution? E power x squared equal to, I am writing again, x plus c, this one. We have for y into e power x squared equal to x plus c. Substitute x equal to 0 and y equal to 1. Y equal to 1 into e power x squared. So e power 0. Then x equal to 0 plus c. Okay. E power 0 also 1. 0 plus c is c. So what is the c value? Constant. C equal to 1 only. So substitute here y in this equation. Y equal to e power x squared equal to x plus 1. Okay. This is the solution for this type. Or we can find out y equal to 1 plus x into e power x squared, go to that side as e power minus x squared, right? So this is the solution for this type. Okay, then we'll move on to the next problem. What is that? The solution of differential equation dy by dx equal to x squared y with the condition that y equal to 1 at x equal to 0. Okay, what is given? Let's see how to solve this. Dy by dx equal to x squared y, and condition also given, y equal to 1 when at x equal to 0 y value is equal to 1. Then using variable separable method, y on one side and x on another side. So dy by y, this y, then x squared into dx. Now we need to integrate. So log y, dy by y is nothing but log y equal to x cube by 3 plus c, right? Then what we need to do? Find out the y y go to that side as e power x cube by 3 into e power c, right? E power x cube by 3 plus c. When it is multiplication, we can split up. When it is in power of addition, we can split up a multiplication. Okay, e power c, e power x cube into e power 3. Now we need to substitute. We find out the solution. Okay, general solution. Now we need to we need to substitute this condition and then find out the constant c, then substitute that value in this solution. Okay, this is the procedure. Then what is y equal to 1 at x equal to 0? So x equal to 0, e power 0. Okay, 0 by 3, then e power c. So e power 0 is nothing but 1. What is e power c now? E power c equal to 1. So substitute here y into e power x cube by c, e power c value as 1. Then what is the solution? Y equal to e power x cube by 3. So this is the solution for this type. Then we'll move on to the next one. Solution of differential equation. D is nothing but differential equation. 3y dy by dx plus 2x equal to 0 represents a family of. We need to find out the family of this type. Okay. So we need to see what is given. 3y dy by dx plus 2x equal to 0. So it is like multiply by dx. So what when we multiply by dx get cancelled. So 3y dy plus 2x into dx. Okay, or taking LCM, 2x dx equal to 0. Now we need to integrate on both sides. Okay, 3y squared by 2 plus 3y na, then 2x squared by 2 equal to some constant c, right? Then what we need to do? 2 and 2 get cancelled. What is in the question? What is given in the question? This differential equation represents a family of. We need to find out the which family. We'll see. 3y squared by 2 plus x squared equal to c. How can we write? Y squared divided by 2 by 3 plus x squared by 1 equal to c, or x squared by 1 plus y squared by 2 by 3 equal to c is nothing but it is the general equation of x squared by a plus y squared by b square. It is nothing but equation of ellipse. So family of ellipse. Okay, it is in the form of ellipse. Okay, next one. The solution of x dy by dx plus y equal to x plus x power 4. Then with y of 1 equal to the what? 6 by 5. So we'll solve. What is given? Differential equation dy by dx plus plus y equal to x power 4. Then divide by x. So dy by dx plus 1 by x into y. By dividing x on both sides is nothing but x power 4 divided by x cubed. So it is in the form of Leibniz linear equation dy by dx plus py equal to q. What is p? P equal to 1 by x. What is q? Q equal to x cube, right? Then what is we need to find out the integral function. So what is how to find e power integral p dx equal to e power integral p dx is nothing but p dx by x, 1 by x dx. Okay, I am writing e power integral dx by integrating what we will get? E power log x. Whenever taking logarithm, this and this function will get cancelled. So integral function equal to x. What is the integral function? X. Then we need to find out what is the solution? Integral function equal to x. I am writing here. Then what is the solution? Then y into integral function equal to integral q into integral function into dx plus c. This is the solution for this type. Okay. Then what is the integral function here? X. So y into x integration dx integral q. What is q? X cube, right? X cube into what is integral into integral function x dx plus c. Then xy equal to integral x power 4 dx plus c. Okay. Then by integrating what will get x power 5 divided by 5 plus c. See, this is the integral function. Then what we need to do, find out y. Y is nothing but divided by this one, right? Then what we will get, this one divided by x power 4 by 5, x power 4 by 5 plus divided by x, we nothing but 1 by x into c. Okay, this x go to x power 4 by 5 plus c by x or 1 by x into c. Now we need to apply that condition. What is the condition given? Y of 1 equal to 6 by 5. Y of 1 equal to 6 by 5 means what? That at x equal to 1, y is equal to 6 by 5. Y equal to 6 by 5. Which means that at x equal to 1, y equal to 6 by 5. So y equal to 6 by 5 when x equal to 1. So 1 by 5 plus c, right? C by 1 also c only. So 6 by 5 minus 1 by 5, what we will get? 5 by 5. 5 by 5, what is the value of c? 5 by 5 we will get 5 only, na? C value equal to 5. See, 6 by 5 plus 1 by 5 equal to c equal to 6 minus 1, 5 by 5 equal to c equal to 1. Then substitute in this equation c equal to 1. What we will get? Y equal to x power 4 by 5. In this, say it is equation 1, x power 4. This is the general solution. X power 4 divided by 5 plus, in place of c substitute 1. So 1 by x. So this is the solution for this problem. Okay. Then we'll move on to the next one. The solution of the differential equation dy by dx minus y squared equal to 1 satisfying the condition y of 0 equal to 1 is. So we need to solve this problem. We'll see how to solve this. Dy by dx minus y squared equal to 1 and given condition y of 0 equal to 1 means at x equal to 0 y value is equal to 1. Okay. Then dy by dx equal to 1 plus y squared, right? Now using variable separable method, y squared on one side and y term on one side and x term on the other side. So what we will get? Dy by 1 plus y squared into dx. This will come to this side and dx will go to that side. Okay, now we need to integrate on both sides. What will dy by 1 plus y squared is nothing but tan inverse of y, integration of this term. Tan inverse of y equal to x plus c. Okay. Then what is y ma? Y equal to tan function of x plus c. Right. Then what is the general condition given? Condition is given as which one? At x equal to 0, y value equal to 1 at x equal to 0. So tan 0 plus 0 tan c. So tan c equal to 1. Then what is the c value? C value is nothing but c tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of 1 is nothing but pi by 4. So c equal to pi by 4. So for tan inverse of 5 by 4. C equal to tan inverse of 1. Sorry. Tan inverse of 1. So tan inverse of 1 is nothing but pi by 4. So c equal to pi by 4. Substitute in this equation y equal to tan of x plus pi by 4. Okay, this is the solution for this problem. We'll move on to the next one. Which of the following differential equation has a solution given by the function y equal to 5 sine of 3x plus 5 by 3. See, we need to find out here. Usually the differential equation is given. We need to find out the solution. But here solution is given. We need to find out the differential equation. Let's see how to solve this problem. Sine of 3x plus pi by 3, right? So y it is of sine of a plus b. Sine of a plus b is nothing but sine a, trigonometric formula sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. So sine of 3x plus cos of pi by 3 plus 5 is multiplied inside. So sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. What is cos a? Cos 3x a b, right? Cos a sin b, sin of pi by 3. So this is the one. Next what we need to do, 5, I am just rearranging, 5 cos pi by 3 and sin 3x. These are all are constant, okay? So 5 cos pi by 3 into sin 3x plus 5 sin pi by 3. From this sin pi by 3 cos 3x, just rearranging. So let it be, we can take it this as a, constant a, and this as constant b. So y equal to what we will get? Y equal to a sin 3x plus b cos 3x, right? Now we need to find out the differential equation. So we need to differentiate with respect to x. So y dash equal to sin 3x. What a is a constant. So a into sin 3x cos 3x into 3. So 3a cos 3x. Here also cos 3x minus sin 3x into 3 minus 3b sin 3x. This is a general what? General differentiation formula. Okay, then we need to differentiate again with respect to x. d square divided by dx square. Again 3a is a constant. Cos 3x equal to minus sin 3x into 3. Already on 3a. 3 into 3 9a minus 9a sin 3x. Again what we will get? Sin 3x cos 3x into 3 na 9b minus 9b cos 3x, right? Minus 9b cos 3x. Okay, this is the given. So we'll see, minus, take minus 9 outside. What we will get? A sin 3x plus b cos 3x na. Okay, taking minus 9 outside, a sin 3x plus b cos 3x. See, a sin 3x plus b cos 3x is nothing but y. So 9y. Y double dash equal to 9y equal to d squared y by dx squared. Nothing but y double dash plus 9y equal to 0. This is the differential equation for the given solution. This is the method to solve when the solution is given. We need to find out the differential equation from using this method. Okay. So y double dash plus 9y equal to 0 is the differential equation for the given solution. Okay. We'll move on to the next one. Consider the differential equation dy by dx plus y equal to e power x with y of 0 equal to 1. Then the value of y of 1. So we'll see how to find out. So given dy by dx plus y equal to e power x. Okay. Now it is in the form of Leibniz linear equation dy by dx plus py equal to q, right? What is p? By comparing 1. Q equal to e power x. Then what is the procedure? Finding integral function. What is that? E power integral p dx. So e power integral p dx is nothing but 1. So dx. So what we will get? E power dx is nothing but e power x. So integral function equal to e power x. So what is the solution now? From this, see, y into integral function into, this is the general solution, q integration of q into integral function into dx plus c, right? Y into integral function equal to e power x. So e power x into y integration, what is q? Q equal to e power x into integral function. Integral function is one more e power x into dx plus c. So e power x into y equal to e power 2x. Adding the powers, e power 2x dx plus c. So by integrating, what we will get? E power 2x divided by 2 plus c, right? So now we need to find out the y into e power x into y divided by e power 2x plus 2 into c. Now what is the condition? At t equal to y of 0 equal to 1 means at x equal to 0, y value equal to 1, right? Now substitute x equal to 0 and y equal to 1. x equal to 0 in that e power 0 into 1 y equal to 1 e power 0 divided by 2 plus c. So e power 0 value 1 by 1 by 2 plus c equal to, what is c value? C value equal to half. So substitute in this equation, right? So e power x into y e power 2x by 2 plus, what is c value? C value equal to half. So this one e power x into y e power x, I am writing like this, y e power x into e power 2x by 2 plus half, right? This is the general solution for the differential equation. Then what we need to find out? Y value equal to 1. Y of 1 is nothing but at x equal to 1. X value, substitute x, y of 1 equal to what? Then substitute x 1. So y into e power 1 plus e power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, right? Then what we will get? So take half as common, and so half e power 1 plus 1. This e power 1 also go to that side as minus 1 e power. So here we can, in this so I am writing here, we can simplify further, right? Y into e power x dx. So y e power x, this step y e power x, to simplify this I am simplifying here itself. So e power x, dividing e power x, what we will get? Y equal to e power 2x divided by 2 e power x. So like this, e power 2x divided by 2 into e power x plus 1 by 2 into e power x. So 1 by 2 as common, what we will get? E power 2x minus x, we will get e power x. We have taken 1 by 2 outside plus remaining e power x. 1 by e power x, we can write it at e power minus x, right? This is the solution. Now we need to substitute y of, we need to find out the y of 1 value. Y of 1, how to find? At x equal to 1, what is the solution? Thus substitute x equal to 1 in here, e power 1 plus e power minus 1. This is the value of y of 1, right? Y of 1 equal to half into e power plus 1 plus e power minus 1. Okay? Okay. We'll move on to the next example problem. See, with k as constant, the possible solution for the first order differential equation dy by dx equal to e power minus 3x is. So what is given? Dy by dx equal to e power minus 3x. So using variable separable method, x on one side and y on another side. Okay. So dy equal to e power minus 3x into dx. Just cross multiply this, then we need to integrate, right? Integral dy equal to y e power minus 3x, e power minus 3x divided by minus 3 plus. So here in the problem itself with k as constant, we will substitute k while integrating, we will add some constant, that constant be k itself. So that only given in the problem. Okay. So this is the solution. Okay. E power minus 3x divided by minus 3. So it is enough. E power minus 3x divided by minus 3 plus k. Okay. Then we'll move on to the next one. The solution of the differential equation dy by dx equal to ky. Then y of 0 equal to c. Okay. What is given? Let's see how to solve this. Dy by dx equal to ky. Now what we need to do? Separating the variable. Okay. Dy by y equal to k dx. Now integrating on both sides, what we dy by y equal to log y, k dx equal to kx plus c. Then what we need to find out? Y equal to e power kx into e power c. Right? This is y. Okay. This is the solution for this differential equation. Then what is given? Y of 0 equal to c. Which means that at x equal to 0, y value equal to c. At x equal to 0, y equal to c. Okay. Now substitute x equal to 0 and y equal to c in this equation. So y equal to c equal to e power kx, k into 0 0 into e power c. So e power 0 1 only. So c equal to e power c. So to avoid confusion, already given y of 0 equal to c. To avoid confusion, we will write here as c1. We are adding some constant on that can be c1. So both c will get confused now. So e power c1. So c equal to e power c1. So substitute this in that equation, e power kx into e power c1, right? C equal to, sorry, in place of e power c1 just substitute c. Okay. So y equal to e power kx into c. This equation e power c1 substitute c. Okay. Then move on to the next one. Consider the differential equation dy by dx equal to 1 plus y squared into x. The general solution with constant c. So the constant will be c. So we need to find out the general solution. Dy by dx equal to 1 plus y squared into x. Now we need to use by variable separable method, separating y on one side and x on another side. So dy by 1 plus y squared equal to x dx. Now we need to integrate on both sides. Okay. What we will get? Tan inverse of y. Dy by integration is 1, and then x dx is nothing but x squared by 2 plus c. Then what is y? Tan function of x squared by 2 plus c. So this is the general solution for the given differential equation. Then we'll move on to the next example problem. The solution of differential equation dy by dx plus y by x equal to x with condition that y equal to 1 at x equal to 1 is. Okay. What is the given differential equation? Dy by dx plus y by x equal to x. Okay. We need to find out given condition, or condition also given. What is that? What is the condition? See, y equal to 1 at x equal to 1. At x equal to 1, y value is 1. So it is in the form of dy by dx, Leibniz linear equation, py equal to q. Then by comparing, what is p and q value? From this p equal to 1 by x, right? P equal to 1 by x and q value equal to x. Then we need to find out the integral function is nothing but e power integral p dx. E power integral dx by x, p equal to 1 by x. So dx by x is nothing but e power log x. This and this get cancelled. So integration function is nothing but x. Okay. Then what is the solution for this type? General solution is y into integral function equal to integral q into integral function into dx plus c. Right? Some constant. What is integral function here? X. So xy equal to integration q. Q is nothing but x into integral function is nothing but x. So x into x, x squared dx plus c. So xy equal to x cube by 3 plus c. Right? Then we need to substitute x and y value. Both x and y are 1 only. So 1 equal to 1 by 3 plus c. 1 minus 1 by 3, what we will get? 2 by 3. So c equal to 2 by 3, right? Then substitute 2 by 3 in this equation. General solution, which one? This one. X y equal to x cube by 3 plus 2 by 3. Or the general solution will be in the form of y. So y equal to 1 by 3 common. Okay. Take 1 by 3. What is remaining? X cube by 2 divided by 2. X cube by x. That means taking that x to that side. Okay. Here 1 by 3 is common now. X cube by x will get x square, then 2 by x. So this is the general solution for this problem. According to the options given in the, when we doing competitive exams, according to the option we can simplify. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. This one. What is that? With the initial condition x of 1 equal to 0.5, which means that it is in the form of t dx by dt plus x equal to t. We need to find out the solution, and also given condition, also given initial condition. So what is given first? Write the question. T into dx by dt plus x equal to t. Now what we are taking LCM, what we will get? T into dx plus x dt equal to t dt, right? Or multiply by dt. Multiply by dt, what will this and this get cancelled? X dt equal to t dt. Okay, nothing. So t dx into x dt, it is in the form of d of uv or d of tx. Differentiation of tx, what we will get? What we will get, ma? This is the form of differentiation of tx, right? T dx plus x dt is nothing but, in RHS side, right? Just copy down that. Differentiation of uv is nothing but u into dv plus v into du. So it is in the form of differentiation of tx. Okay, now what we need to do? Integrate on both sides. Okay, so when we integrate, integration on differentiation will get cancelled. So tx equal to, by integrating this, t squared by 2 plus c, right? Now what is given? At x equal to 1, sorry, at t equal to 1, x and t function, right? At t equal to 1, x equal to 0.5, right? At t equal to 1, x value is 0.5. So substitute here, t value as 1 and x value as 0.5. 1 into 0.5, again t value is 1 by 2 plus c. So 0.5 into 1, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5 get cancelled, c equal to 0 only. Okay, then what is the solution from here? See, tx equal to t squared by 2 plus 0, right? Then what we need to do? Tx equal to t squared by 2, t and t get cancelled, x equal to t by 2. So this is the solution for the given differential equation. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. This is the final problem. Okay, the solution of ordinary differential equation dy by dx plus 2y equal to 0 for the boundary condition y equal to 5 and x equal to 1. So what is given? Let's write the given problem. Dy by dx plus 2y equal to 0. Then what we need to do? Dy by variable separable method. Dy by dx equal to minus 2y, right? Taking x on one side and y on another side. So dy by y alone equal to minus 2 into dx. Now we need to integrate on both sides. So dy by y is nothing but log y equal to minus 2 integral dx equal to 2x plus c, right? Then y equal to what? Y equal to e power minus 2x plus c. We can split up like this. Y equal to e power minus 2x into e power c. So this is the solution. And also given one condition, right? What is that? I am writing here y equal to 5 and x equal to 1. See this one in problem. Y equal to 5 and x equal to 1. So what is that? In this solution, substitute y equal to 5 and x equal to 1. So 5 equal to e power minus 2 into e power c. So this go to that side by 5 by e power minus 2. We can write it as 5e squared. E power c equal to 5e squared. Then what we need to do? Substitute in that equation. So what is the solution now? E power minus 2x into 5e squared. So according to the, this is the solution. According to the option given in the question, we can simplify. Okay. So this is the way to find out the solution for the 5 into e power minus, I am just rearranging 5 into e power minus 2x into e power squared, or we can write it as e power 2 minus 2x also. Okay. Then this is the solution for this type. So we can end of this video is up to this. Kindly subscribe our channel off campus and click on the bell icon. You will receive notifications. These are all gate problems asked in previous year gate problems in differential equations. So kindly watch our channel. Thanks for watching.